strong infrastructure is vital to deliver a wholesome healing environment, to provide relief from sickness and suffering. With the vision of providing technological solutions for improving human life, Sri S.C. Verma founded MDD in the memory of his mother, Mata Draupadi Devi, in the year 2002. Over the last 2 decades, MDD has cemented its name as specialists in critical care medical infrastructure solutions. The guiding philosophy at MDD has been to identify latest cutting-edge technologies all over the world, understand its relevance to local markets, and help the healthcare providers with its acquisition, applications, and maintenance. Headquartered in National Capital Region, located in the Indian subcontinent, MDD is able to serve the medical infrastructure industry globally with its partners spread across the world. MDD showroom houses latest products and solutions to help healthcare providers choose the right solutions for their critical care needs. MDD offers customizable solutions in the following segments. Modular Operation Theatres. With state-of-the-art technologies, MDD Modular OT minimizes nosocomial infections or hospital-acquired infections. With a comprehensive range of turnkey solutions, MDD specializes in building an infection-free environment in hospitals. Modular ICU aim to create a positive healing environment and facilitating speedy patient recovery, be it mental or physical. MDD Modular ICUs and patient rooms are ergonomically built and functionally equipped for critical care. Medical gas pipeline systems. With focus on continuity, adequacy, identity, and quality, MDD helps hospitals to identify and select the optimal solutions. This robust system is built to provide uninterrupted, safe, and effective method of delivering medical gases. Easy to use and having low maintenance, MDD medical gas pipeline solutions are compliant to international standards. Medical supply units, crafted to finest details, made with bespoke designs. MDD's medical supply units integrate various services such as nurse call systems, lighting systems, and electrical systems, along with medical gas terminals. Over the years, we have built a 3-part process which forms the backbone of our core working mechanism. Experienced engineers and project designers at MDD are extremely capable with the right kind of skill sets and latest design methodologies. They understand that every project is unique and are dedicated towards providing the best of solutions. MDD's 360-degree strategic manufacturing process enables quick customizations with extreme precision. The state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is managed by a team of committed professionals equipped with modern, specialized machines delivering high-quality products. Powered by the latest softwares, the inventory management system allows to keep sufficient stocks of fast-moving goods, thus helping in quick deliveries to project sites. With extreme precision and attention to detail, site engineer ensures that the design comes to life. With years of experience, we are committed to make project implementation quicker, easier, and cost-effective. Having successfully completed more than 500 projects over the last 2 decades. MDD has been well appreciated and acknowledged across the globe as specialists in critical care medical infrastructure. MDD is committed to providing solutions that help build a healthier and happier tomorrow.